Alright, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK480 series. Today we're going to show you how to do the complete stem replacement from start to finish. So the first thing you want to do is to know your stem length and all that. We know this is an 8-inch wall, so we know to use the PK8008. The next thing you're going to want to do is cut off the water. So when you go cut off the water on your way back, grab you a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of channel locks or adjustable pliers or adjustable wrench, whatever you got laying around. So to do this, I'm going to start with taking off the handle since we are replacing the stem and just make it easier. So it's normal thread, so lefty loosey, righty tighty on the handle screw. Set them to the stem. I'm going to take our wrench here, take the old stem out, normal thread. Alright, so we got the old one out. This is the new one. This is the PK8008. The reason I knew that is we have an 8-inch wall, so we knew that. If you didn't know the right stem, you can always measure your old stem. So for instance, this one would measure 12. You just take 4 inches off of that, get 8. So you get a PK8008. And we do have another video if you're not sure on your stem length, and that video will help you determine that. So make sure that packing plane is back all the way down toward the seat washer. And slide the new stem in. Hand tighten it. And use our wrench. Oh, there we go. Right. Don't really want it to slip. I know I slipped there, but one will probably be fine, but you don't really want to make a habit out of that. Alright, so now we're going to put our handle on. With the handle, the screw is a self-tapping screw, so the new stem is not going to be threaded inside. So as you put the handle screw in, it's going to cut those threads. So it's going to be kind of difficult to get the handle screw started on there. And what I like to do is I like to go ahead and get it in the right position. So I like my handle to be straight so that way it looks good. Alright, there we go. Turn it right side up there. Alright. We're going to start threading this thing in. Again, I said this is really hard because you got to cut those threads in there. It is a lot easier to get the old one out sometimes than it is to get the new one in on the new stem. Alright, I think I got it tied in there. And that is how you replace the stem on an Arrowhead Brass 480 series faucet.